So why Tableau? Well, it's agile, it's proficient, it's secure, and it's interactive. And one thing I didn't add here, but I talk about later, is the community as well. So agile, what do I mean by that? It's you can have your portal work. It's quick to deploy. You don't have to have one team that's specialized in both the website and Tableau. Rather, you can have different teams spread out. You have reduced cross-team dependencies. Instead, one team can focus on what they're good at, and they can quickly switch. If there is a change that has to be made, you can contact the other team and they can make that change without affecting the work of the other elements in this pipeline for your embedded visual. So it is quick to deploy. So that's why I feel that's one way that Tableau is just agile to deploy. It's proficient, and that what I mean again is the data visualization part is left to the data visualization pros. And the website dev, which is where you can create an interactive portal of crazy sorts, that can be left to your website, your web dev pros. So if in a company you have a website, you have an app, you have people who are capable to do that, they can build new apps and new websites for you. Whereas your data visualization can be handled by your BI team. So you can completely separate those proficiencies and people can focus on their core skills. It is secure because Tableau, if you've used Tableau Server, if you've used Tableau Online, Tableau has a lot of industry standard security options, and you get to use all of that again with your deployment. So you don't have to sacrifice on that. But given that, having said that, Tableau does have bit of less secure options that they give you, but that is in case you cannot set up an SSO setup easily. If you don't want to have a complicated SSO setup with multiple IDP tokens and stuff, you can have a simpler approach, which Tableau is able to provision for you. Again, we'll talk about that later. It is interactive, and by that I mean that with Tableau, with the JavaScript API, you can have all kinds of interaction between your web portal and your Tableau dashboard.